It seems like a good day for the base metal prices today after the Chinese PMI numbers coming in on the higher side, the US numbers strong. Actually, if you look at Asian markets, the Korean and the Thailand manufacturing numbers also have been on the positive side. So you have seen quite a strong run-up happen in case of copper prices. It's nearing its 2012 highs around 8765. The Shanghai markets are out of participation, so the volumes are lower. So you might be looking at exaggerated moves coming in at this point in time. And the feeling from the market people is that when China comes or returns on Thursday, you might see some profit taking into this sector. But today the going has been good, nearly half to 1% gains coming in across for the base metal prices. No such luck for crude prices, which gained 2% yesterday. Markets are slightly into profit booking mode ahead of the US inventories data, where there is an expectation of increase in inventories for the second straight week, and that really seems to be weighing here. When it comes to the precious metal prices, it really is very steady. After 1% of gains coming in yesterday, you have seen a slight profit taking happen in case of gold and silver both today. But what the markets are awaiting is the US durable goods order data today in the evening, and further direction would come in from that.